All right, we're going to start on a new topic of combinatorics. Combinatorics is the idea of counting the number of ways certain things can happen. You will have been introduced to this when you did your Year 9 main lesson on chance and data. So when we're starting out with a topic like this, it really helps to be able to organize our ideas. And if we can come up with a good diagram, we can often work the answer out. So let's say we have a really simple restaurant. They've got two entrees, three mains, and two options for desserts. So entrees, mains, desserts. Now, we could arrange this as a tree diagram, as we would have seen before. So we could have here the two different entrees, maybe, I don't know, garlic bread and a soup. And then from each of them, we could have the three different mains. So, chicken, beef, vegetarian or something. Chicken, beef, vegetarian. And then from that, the two desserts, chocolate cake or ice cream. And we can see that this, while effective for a small idea like this, is going to get very confusing if we try to do anything much bigger than we've got. But we can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different possible combinations of entree, mains, and desserts. So we could look at this slightly differently. We could say we're at the start of the meal, and we've got two ways of getting to the end of entree. We could go this route or this route. Now that we've finished our entree, we've got three ways to get through to dessert. And then finally, from the beginning of dessert to the end of dessert, we've got two routes. And then we'd still have to do some counting. We'd have to be a little bit systematic. 1, 2, 1, path over the top, 1 going through the 1 over the top here and down. So that's 1, 2, 1 through the middle and top. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and then on the bottom way, 1, 2, 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 and 6. We got 12 options. Now, with a problem like this, where we're doing one of two entrees and one of three mains and one of two desserts, when we got that and word or something similar, there's a shortcut. And we call it the multiplication principle. And that says that when we've got this and thing, so a choice out of 2 and then a choice out of 3 and then a choice out of 2 again, or any sort of option like that, then what we need to do is just multiply them. 2 times 3 times 2. And we get 12. And we could extend that to a much bigger problem. Let's say you're someone's getting dressed in the morning. They have 3 pairs of shoes. They have 7 pants and 12 different shirts they could wear. How many different outfits could they make? Well, if we just multiply all those together,